Dubstep remix. So if you're just watching, right, I've got to feed my children. That's my box. I've got to feed my children. That they're going to demonstrate shortly, it looks like. Right, here we go. Check this out, the air guitar. Thank you. Thank you very much. Cheers. Okay, everybody over here, give me a yeah. Okay, louder, give me a woo. Nice. Thank you very much. Check this. Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. Okay, how about Snoop Dogg, Drop It Like It's Hot? Her favourite. Okay, layer 1, the clicks. Layer 2. Excuse me, have you got your backstage passes? Okay, together with, like this. And the shakers, nice. Okay, Snoop as well. I'm not going to do all of the lyrics to Drop It Like It's Hot because there's kids around. So, here we go. When the drop it like it's hot. If the pop it like it's hot. If you want to hear more, say yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, I'll do more then. Just a little bit more and then I'll finish. Thank you very much. This is what you do if you're a good person and you enjoy a street performer. Okay, check this. She's been to London Zoo. Poor creatures. Right, here we go. This is Susan. Susan's used to cycle around here with stabilisers. She's finally taken them off, so it's a great achievement. Well done, Susan. Right, here we go. UK Garage Classics. Then the grand finale. Gotta get through this. Rewind. When the crowd say bo, select. I'm playing sexy track. Yep. Alright, let's do it. The grand finale. Give me a woo! Nice. Okay, everyone take one step in and I'll do this big finish. I'm going to take you on a journey. A journey where you imagine yourselves walking past the nightclubs of London. If you walk past on a Friday night. Oi mate! Hey, this DJ's pretty good. Let's go back in. Right here, right now, right here, right now. Check this out. Without the mic, listen to this. Right, I'm going to go even faster. Before I do this, I just want to introduce myself quickly. My name is Tom. Say hello, Tom. Hello. If you want to find me online, you've got to type this in, State of Art Sounds. That's my Instagram. That's my box. It's my version of a guitar case. Basically, if you have money, I would like some. Short and sweet, on with the finale. Check this. With the harmonica to finish. Everybody, every single person, clap with me. Beautiful, keep it going. Here we go. Check this. I'm going to throw this vinyl like a frisbee up there. Before I do, I just got one quick important thing to say, and that is, yes, I do take cards. Right, here we go. Thank you. Thank you very much. That is the end. I've been working on that since I was 15 years old. You know, I love street performing. This is the only way I get paid, so yeah, thank you.